So at the what we're really doing is planning for their best future, you might say.
We are indeed.
People, as they get older, they want to stay home as long as they can, and of course, who doesn't? Sometimes they just need a little bit of help. Sometimes they're blessed to have some of their kids nearby that can help them, and sometimes even the kids need a break too. But even if you don't have kids, again, this free in-home care is a great solution for people. It's Robert, tell listeners about it.
So it's a special program that's not like a nursing home Medicaid where as soon as you're in, you can apply for it and receive the benefit for it. This is a needs-based program where you have to be interviewed, you have to score a 5, and then once you're approved, then you can start receiving the care. It will be a maximum of 30 hours a week of free home health care. So you have total control of your income. They will do light cleaning, cooking, assist with daily activities of living, bathing, dressing, medicine, and you can have that waiver forever, Tom, but you can never get more than 30 hours of care a week. But it's designed to keep somebody home, designed to keep somebody out of a nursing home.
Robert, there are going to be people listening to this that are going to go, what is this thing? I need to remember what this thing is. Just remember, folks, the word waiver program. So when you call the Olsen Law Group, you're going to say, I want to know more information about the waiver program. They're going to put you in touch with the right attorney here at the Olsen Law Group. Robert, 30 hours, would that be a Monday through Friday kind of thing, or is that Saturdays and Sundays too, or do you know offhand?
So it depends. So when you get called off the wait list and you're approved for Medicaid, Medicaid has subcontractors with different quote-unquote insurance companies. And you pick which insurance company you would like best based on the need that you have. So if you need somebody that can come in on a weekend or during the week, you can pick that person. They're not going to do overnights or anything like that. But during the week, some weekends, definitely.
And so this is the waiver program again, and it's a needs-based, and so that they rate people 1 through 5, and if you rate a 5, it means you really need this help.
Yeah, 5 is like that fast pass at Disney. It's the highest score that you can get. And Tom, some people don't know this, but it can also allow for transportation where that caregiver can drive somebody to a doctor. And if your house is not handicap able, it can provide for like grab bars or ramps, and you don't have to pay for that. It all goes with it. And additionally, if you're like a dementia patient, they have adult daycare where maybe on the out days that the caregiver isn't coming, they can go to a daycare and be with other people that are in like situations.
So this is the waiver program again, and it is weighted. And we at the Olsen Law Group, we know how to assist people in how to, what the questions might be, how they would answer their questions truthfully to get rated a 5. We know that's very important.
Yeah, we're very blessed. We do a lot of mock interviewing that helps clarify the questions.
And Robert, if you're a 5, does that automatically mean you're going to get the 30 hours per week, or sometimes they get something less than that?
Sometimes they get something less than that. So once you get called off of the list, they'll then do a second, I wouldn't call it an interview, it's more of a screening to really see what your need level is. But generally, the score, this 5 is the highest score you can get, but a 5 equates to a 45 on the test, on the interview. So some people will score a 65. We've had a person score an 80. So the higher that score is, the more care that they're going to get.
Okay. And some people are blessed to have their kids nearby that are helping out. And did you tell me that this waiver program can be used to reimburse a child or a friend that's helping to care for you?
Yes and no. There's a special spin-off of that program where you can pay your son or your existing caregivers if you want to keep them. But basically, it's a self-care. So you're becoming the entity that's paying them. But they would have to go and become certified, like get a CNA license and things like that.
Oh, that'd be a big deal.
That would be. It's a lot more confusing.
All right, folks, if you've got a question about how to get free in-home care for seniors or how to protect your life savings from the cost of a nursing home, attorney Robert Hidock is standing by to talk to you right now.